When you have skeletal mesh with animation, for example like this one, you can add them as a track in Sequencer. Drag and drop our skeletal mesh into Sequencer and then click on a plus next to animation. Here is the list of your animations, so by clicking on them you can add them as a track in Sequencer. Now when I'm moving on my timeline, it's playing the animation. I can also right click and go to properties and for example change the speed. Set the play rate to 0.5 to make some kind of slow-mo effect. Then you can click on a plus again and add another animation. You see now we have two animations, two tracks of animation, the hip hop and the twist dance. A nice trick is that when I move with my track over next track, it's automatically blending these animations together. Here you see the curve, the blending curve. And the result is pretty smooth. So when I play it, the hip hop smoothing into twist.